If you want to customize margins in Microsoft Word, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Whether you need wider margins for printing, narrower margins to fit more text on a page, or custom measurements for a document like an essay, report, or business file, Word makes it easy. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tutorials. To get started, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once your file is open, look at the ribbon at the top of the screen and click the Layout tab. This is where Word keeps all of the page setup tools, including margins, orientation, and paper size. After you click Layout, find the Margins button near the left side of the toolbar and click it. When you open the Margins menu, you'll see a list of preset options like Normal, Narrow, Moderate, and Wide. These are helpful if you want a quick layout change, but for full control, go to the bottom of the menu and choose Custom Margins. This is the option that lets you enter your own exact measurements for the page. A page setup window will appear, and this is where you can customize everything in detail. In the Margins section, you'll see boxes for top, bottom, left, and right. Click inside each box and type the margin size you want. For example, you might set the top and bottom margins differently from the left and right margins, depending on the type of document you're creating. If you're working on a formal document, you may want standard spacing. If you're trying to fit more content on one page, you may want slightly smaller margins. As you adjust the numbers, Word will update the page layout behind the scenes. Take a moment to review the settings before applying them. You can also check whether the margin should apply to the whole document or only from this point forward, depending on how your file is structured. If you're not sure, keeping it set for the whole document is usually the safest option for most users. Once you're happy with the measurements, click OK to save your custom margins. Word will immediately apply the changes to your document, and you'll see the text and page layout update based on your new settings. If the page now looks too crowded or too spaced out, you can always go back and fine-tune the values using the same steps. And that's it. You've now learned how to customize margins in Microsoft Word using the Layout tab and the Custom Margins option. This is one of the easiest ways to control how your document looks and make it more professional for printing, sharing, or submitting online. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.